Pumpkin pie. Who not ready? That's the game we used to play. Yeah. I just was the same. Baby, you're that girl. She's that new. Makes that fun. Always get to find a hiding place. The time to change. Whoa, I wanna get the
Good morning, everyone. It's Carl back with the Connie Hudson Senior Center with me and Cynthia, and we're going to start this morning making pumpkin cheesecake whoopie pie. First thing you want to do is get your oven heated up to 350 degrees.
So after you preheat your oven, you are going to combine the entire bag of your spice cake mix, 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, and half a cup of vegetable oil, and stir it together until it is completely mixed. So step 2 is to make your cookies. So what you're going to do is use either a small cookie scoop or a spoon and drop little pats of dough onto your baking sheet. So it'll roughly end up being about 2 tablespoons of dough per cookie. And don't worry about the cookies spreading too much. They're really not going to spread while baking. So you can fit about 15 in a cookie sheet. So you're going to want to cook them for about 14 minutes and let them cool off completely before you move to the next part. While your cookies are cooling off, you can go ahead and make your whipped cheesecake filling. And let me tell y'all, this filling is so good. So what you're going to do is add your dry cheesecake pudding mix. You're not going to prepare it like you normally would. So add your dry cheesecake pudding mix and then 2 cups of heavy whipping cream into a bowl. And using your handheld mixer, you're going to whip it until stiff peaks form. And that takes about 3 to 4 minutes. So once you've made your whipped topping and your cookies have cooled, you can assemble your cookies. Once you assemble them, you can eat them right away, but it does taste better once they have been put in the fridge for about 2 hours.
That is so good.
Isn't it though?
It is delicious. Yes.